Hey, this is Adam Shelton and welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time here at this channel, go ahead and hit the red subscribe button and don't forget to hit the notification bell. That way you get videos just like this. Now today's content, we're going to talk about how you can make upwards of $100 just by shopping. And right at the screen here, I have an application called Dosh, and it's a way you can get paid by shopping by select stores from Dosh that they select from. Now, one of the biggest problems I really see these days, and even including myself, is that finding other ways of making money, even if you're shopping, even if you're going to certain stores. There's so many different ways of how you can make money. You can type, you can actually grade papers, you can actually do exams, you actually can edit, essays and things like that. And I was like, I'm gonna do a video about how you can make money by shopping. Women be shopping. My wife loves to shop. So my thing is, like, I'm going to do a video about how you can get paid by shopping using the Dosh application. Now, you see right here, Dosh is one of those programs where they have select stores of where you can earn a percentage just by using their stores. Now, it does work on your mobile device, obviously. It works if you have an Apple phone or an Android device, as you see right there. So you'll go to Apple Store or Google Play, which determines what type of phone you have. You go ahead and load the application up, you sign in, and you link your debit or credit card to your account. That way you'll get notified, cha-ching, when you get paid by using the stores. Now let's go ahead and go down here a little bit. So Dosh, like I said, you connect it to your card, you select the type of stores that it has. They'll tell you exactly what type of stores it has. And check it out, 1 minute, look at it. I'm going to go ahead and show you exactly live of my Dosh application. And you get paid to refer. So you get $5 each time you refer someone. You get $5 automatically to your account. And of course, transfer your cash will be right into your account within, a limited time into your bank account. They work with PayPal, and you can actually donate your money as well. So these are some of the stores that they have. Once again, you'll check what type of stores in your local region. They do have popular stores like Sam's Club, Pizza Hut, Pier 1, Dunkin' Donuts, just to name a few stores it has. And it do have promotions of where you can earn extra cash back by the percentages. So when you load up the application up, it will notify you and saying things like Payless has a special 15% cash back to your card, only limited to like this weekend, something like that. And let me go ahead and give you a little bonus. I'm going to go and show you my application as well. So here is my Dosh. I have an Android device, and here is my Dosh application right here. That's a Pizza Hut. So there's Pizza Hut, and I have $10 left on my card. So I have $10 left on my card. So I've been shopping a little bit in main places like Pizza Hut, Dunkin' Donuts, just to name a few others, and you get a chance to earn cash back of upwards of $100. Actually, you can go over $100 depending how much you shop. So it's one of those things, if you're a male or if you're a female that you love to shop, I'm talking to right you, use this application. Check out your nearby stores and make sure your debit card or credit card is linked into your account. It's really easy to set up, and then you go ahead and start shopping. So this is kind of the testimonials that the website does have. Named Stephanie Lee Moore, she said, every time I use Dosh, I want to tell more people about it. This app is a no-brainer. Now I have extra cash to do something awesome with my family. So just imagine, you need Pizza Hut. Let's say you order a couple of pizzas, you use your application, you get money back from that. And the double thing, let's say your credit card has cash back, like a Visa or MasterCard. Then you get cash back from that credit card, and you get cash back from your Dosh app. And what I like about the Dosh, it lets you know exactly how much you got in there. So like I was saying before, it really showed me $10. I don't know if you guys can see that. It really showed me $10 that I currently have in there, and I'm going right into there. It's really, really cool. And if you're worrying about safety, don't worry about it. It's bank level security. It's very, very safe. Dosh has been around for a while. It's definitely helped a lot of people out in terms of earning extra cash. So it's definitely safe. And a couple other things is that, Forbes Magazine, USA Today, it definitely wrote about it as well. You can get connected with Facebook, all your social media channels, you can get connected with them. They have a pretty good customer service support team, so you can contact them and answer any type of questions. And then about Dosh is right below the page. It basically talks about who they are, what their mission is, and what their agenda is. They got a pretty good team, and they got companies such as Amazon, Google, American Express. They got teams all over the place that's helping this application really make a difference in people's lives. Telling you, if you like to shop, you will love Dosh application. Just check it out. I just want to do a quick video that's about the Dosh application. Remember, I'll have right below this video, I'll have a link of how you can get started right away. All you do is click on that link, and you can get started from your mobile device. So get started here. Start earning extra cash today. You know, tell everybody about it. Remember, you can refer people and get $5 back. So that's even more money. So go ahead and get started. I can't wait to do another video. Don't forget, click on the link below to get started with the Dosh application, how you can make upwards of $100 or even more depending how much you shop. I can't wait to see you in the next video. Like, subscribe, and comment below if you're going to do Dosh shopping this weekend. And also, I have a bonus for you. Right below this video as well, I do have a solution for any problem if you having problems making money online. I have a system where you can make part-time, full-time income right from home just by clicking on the link below. It will be all the teaching and coaching for you and the mentorship as well. All the packages there, and I will be there every step of the way of helping you with that. It's my #1 money maker to making money online. So you can use the Dosh application and you can use the system as well right below that on my team, and we can go ahead and start, you know, the process of building a legacy, you know, going towards that financial freedom and going ahead and starting your own online business at home. All right, just click on the link below to get started, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Have a good day.